Is your company running on NetSuite and struggling with reporting? Well, ZoneReporting offers a pre-built reporting solution that hundreds of other companies running on NetSuite are currently using. ZoneReporting was built by NetSuite experts to provide you with the ultimate NetSuite reporting solution. And it's all inside of the #1 ranked BI tool, Microsoft Power BI. Specific to your company, you get value from ZoneReporting in at least the following 3 ways. 1, we have a reporting platform that replicates and reconciles to your NetSuite with the ability to add as many additional reports as you want. And it already comes with over 50 pre-built automated reports. And yes, it includes your NetSuite data such as inventory and advanced revenue management and projects and OneWorld and all your customizations like custom fields, custom records. 2, we're also going to help you eliminate the reliance on Excel and associated spreadsheet errors. And finally, 3, we're also going to help you add your other data sources. This could include Salesforce or Shopify or your marketing platforms or Amazon to have a single source of truth, making ZoneReporting your enterprise-wide reporting platform. So, are you ready to automate and enhance your reporting? Visit our website and request a demo to learn more.